I got a new package from Goli. Y'all, I'm so excited. I love these, love these, love these. I would not recommend anything if I didn't actually use them myself and like them myself. I really, really like them, you guys. They do just about everything. They help with a healthy digestion. They help with healthy heart health. They reduce your appetite. They can help with weight management. If, of course, you eat right and exercise and take these as well. They help you improve your energy. Like, what don't they do? They support a healthy immune system. These gummies are everything, and at the same time they don't taste like vinegar, so that's what I really, really like about them. I've used a lot of other apple cider vinegar gummies and they were nasty, and I've taken pills and they were nasty, and then I did the shot and that was, of course, absolutely disgusting. So when I found these vitamins, and I was like, oh yeah, I'm gonna take these because they're good. They taste more like apple than they do vinegar. So if you guys are interested in these and you want to buy some, you can use code PASSION21 to save some money off of your purchase. And if you are not one that wants to wait on shipping and you want them right away, you want them in 2 days, I will also put a link for Amazon in my description box. And just to let y'all know, this video is not sponsored. I am a Goli partner and I work with them and I really like them. I will have all the information on these gummies down in the description box if you want to know more about them. I will put all the ingredients down below. I will put the links to order, and I will put my code PASSION21 down below as well for you to check them out. Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. My name is Passion and it's a vlog. Y'all, I had to go into my camera and change so many settings in my camera, so I apologize for how my camera was looking up until this point. So my camera was like zooming straight in up on my face. Like, it was just so many things happening with my camera that I didn't like, and I was like, I gotta change this. I don't like this. So I went into my camera and I changed the settings, so hopefully it looks better. It's raining, as I'm sure you guys could see. I'm waiting for my car to like defrost. So I'm about to go into Target. I have to get some feminine hygiene products because I ran out. So I'm gonna go and get some more, but I'm going to go to a different Target, and I don't really like this Target. This is another one that's closer to me than the one that I usually go to. I don't really like this one though, but I'm gonna see if they got what I need. So today I'm wearing my Skims bodysuit, these ripped jeans from American Eagle, my Yeezy sneakers, just some charm bracelets, and my Michael Kors watch. I'm heading to go to the store and pick up some stuff, just, you know, running some errands. My sister's in town, so we're gonna hang out a little bit, and I'll check in with y'all later.
Doing my classes, all those like the spreadsheets are like my favorite thing ever. I love that. So I can like actually know what I'm doing and like do that for other business.
I got these canvases from Michael's. They were buy one get one free, so I ended up getting a 30 by 40, well, two 30 by 40s, and I got them for less than $40. They were like $37. So I'm gonna do some wall art with these. I'm really excited about it because I've been wanting to do this for the longest, but I've just been putting it off. So I'm really, really excited about that. So Forever 21 was a bust. We didn't find anything in there, so now we are in H&M looking around. So we are at lunch. We came to PF Chang's, and then we're gonna leave here and go and get our toes done at this new nail bar that just opened up. Say hi to the vlog. Hi. My sister is in town visiting for the weekend, so we're just hanging out. He's getting them gators together. Those are good. White. My usual color. got this new perfume. It is from DKNY. And it is called, I don't know if y'all can see it, but it's called Be Delicious Pool Party Mai Tai. It smells so good, y'all. It smells so good. So I got it from Kohl's, and it was on clearance for $30, and I picked it up because I felt like, you know, that's a good price. But it also came with a free gift. So I got this little free gift. How cute is this? It's a fanny pack, and I thought that was just so cute. So cute. So, you know, this summer I'm going to be at somebody's pool with my fanny pack on. So I'm about to go get some lunch before I head into the office. I'm really hungry. Did I show y'all my new earrings that I got? So I got some gold earrings from Marshall's. They're not real gold. They're sterling silver. They were only $10. But I want to get some more earrings. Some more like real gold earrings. So if y'all can make some recommendations below and let me know where I can get a good pair of gold earrings from. My Chanel earrings are not real gold. They are base metal, and most of Chanel's fashion jewelry, they're not real gold anyway, because Chanel has fine jewelry and fashion jewelry, and my earrings are from the fashion jewelry. They're not fine jewelry, so they're not real gold, which basically means that they're going to change colors over time, and it's costume jewelry. Like, it was expensive, very expensive costume jewelry, but it's costume jewelry. So let me know where I can get a good pair of 14 karat gold earrings from for a good price. So I'm just about to go get food and then head into the office for the day. So I got the Popeyes acai smoothie. Y'all, it's a superfood smoothie, and it's really good. I like it. It's really good, y'all. I love this smoothie. I like acai anyway. So acai with any type of like nuts in it is really good in my opinion. I bought a new nightstand from Target, and I'm gonna try to build this, y'all. I am not Bob the Builder. I am not handy mandy. I am not good at building stuff, but I'm gonna try. I bought a drill and everything. So I picked up a drill and everything, y'all. So let's get going. I also went to Ulta and picked up some stuff. You guys, I needed some new bronzer, so I'm gonna try their bronzer. Someone recommended this to me on Facebook, so I'm gonna try it, check it out, and see how it works. I also got a mini hemp lotion. I heard Kyra Amanique talking about this lotion. Now, I've used hemps before, but this specific scent she's been talking about, so I want to try it and see what it smells like. And then I also picked up a new blush from Milani, and this is the Cheek Kiss blush in the shade 110 Nude Kiss. So y'all, we gonna see. Also got some more stuff from Target, and I'm not sure why the lighting is like this. I don't know why the lighting is like this, but I got this Reed diffuser from Target. It is pineapple and bamboo. I've had room spray in this scent before, and I really like it. It smells really good. I got another bra from the Auden line that I was telling you about that Target has. And this bra was on clearance for only $7.49. So I had to pick that up. But this is really cute. Like, I get all my bras from there, and I like them. So y'all definitely check them out the next time y'all are in Target. All right, so let's get to building. All right, y'all, so I am almost done. Almost. Now I just have to do the put the drawers in, and then I will be done. I don't like these though. I don't like this, so I gotta figure out a way to cover that up. But yep, almost done. I'll show y'all the finished product in a little bit. So this is the finished product of my new nightstand. I won't even tell y'all how long it took me to put this together. I really won't. But this is now my new nightstand area. I love it. It's so cute. It's a smooth glossy finish. It's not a like woody finish, so I really like it. And it was only 60 bucks from Target, y'all. I like it. I like it. I like it. I like it. And again, I will not tell you how long it took me to put this together, but ended up, y'all, putting it together upside down. So I had to literally take it apart and do it again. So, I wanted to show y'all this shirt mask combo. I showed this in my Forever 21 try on haul, but I'm wearing it today. It's just so cute. Look at this. It's so cute. So I'm gonna go, I'm gonna go to Kohl's because I have a coupon and I have some Kohl's cash and Kohl's cash and a coupon, and they expire today. So I'm gonna go in Kohl's and just look around, see if I can find something. And then I'm gonna go to Rose's because I gotta get some more, like I'm all out and I'm doing laundry. So I gotta go get some more laundry detergent, and then I'm gonna come back home, and I believe I have to edit some more videos. I think I got like 3 more videos I need to edit. So we'll see how many I can get done today. So this is what I am wearing on this beautiful Sunday, on the day that the Lord made. I'm just wearing these high-waisted jeans. Is my plant over further than usual? But anyways, with my little animal print, leopard print headband, and then my black sandals. The sun is, baby, ooh, the sun is so bright right now. Ooh, I got perfect lighting right now. So if I wanted to record a video right now, this would be the perfect time to do so, because I got perfect lighting. But anyways, I'll check back in with y'all later.